Alright guys, what's up? Today we're going to be checking out the tractor today, see if it'll get running. So right now, check this engine out. I think it's all good on gas. And we just sprayed some of this stuff down a while ago. So I'm going to try to just start it up. Oof. Might be starting. Hold up. Phone somewhere. I'll put the phone right here. Looks like we're gonna have to put some, looks like we're gonna have to open this thing up. Get the screwdriver. Just drop it. Oh, I gotta, go back to recording. We just, sprayed it down with some engine starter fluid. So let's see if it'll start up now. Hopefully it does. Put these on. Looks like it started up pretty nice. So, I'm gonna turn it. We're gonna let it sit for a minute and then we'll drive it.